Looking for the best WordPress plugins to take your business to the next level in 2022? There are over 59,000 WordPress plugins that you can choose from. This makes it extremely overwhelming for new users to find the right plugin for their website. In this video, we discuss 10 must-have WordPress plugins for your business website. 1. WP Forms. Every website needs a contact form because it makes it easy for your visitors to get in touch with you. WP Forms is the most user-friendly contact form plugin for WordPress. This drag-and-drop online form builder allows you to easily create contact forms, email subscription forms, online order forms, payment forms, surveys, polls, and basically all other types of online forms with just a few clicks. WP Forms integrates with all popular marketing and payment platforms, so you can build powerful forms in less than 5 minutes. 2. Monster Insights. Monster Insights is the best Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. It allows you to connect your website with Google Analytics, so you can see exactly how people find and use your website. The best part is that it shows you all the important stats that matter right inside your WordPress dashboard. 3. AllinOne SEO. SEO helps you get more visitors from search engines to your website. While WordPress is SEO friendly out of the box, there is so much more you can do to increase your website traffic using SEO best practices. AllinOne SEO is one of the most popular WordPress plugin of all time. It helps you properly add SEO title, meta description, keywords, generate XML sitemaps, connect your site to Google Search Console, optimize it for social media, and more. 4. MemberPress. MemberPress allows you to build online courses, communities, and membership sites using WordPress. You can create subscriptions and restrict content access to users based on their subscription plans. It works with all popular payment solutions like Stripe, PayPal, Authorize, Net, and more. 5. Updraft Plus. Updraft Plus allows you to set up automatic backups and safely store them on a remote location like Google Drive, Dropbox, S3, Rackspace, FTP, email, and more. It also makes it super easy to restore your website from a backup. 6. WP Rocket. WP Rocket automatically turns on recommended WordPress caching settings like gzip compression, page cache, and cache preloading. You can also turn on optional features like lazy loading images, CDN support, DNS prefetching, minification, and more to further improve page load times. 7. SEMRush. SEMRush is an all-in-one marketing toolkit that helps you gather competitive intelligence on your competitors, so you can outrank them and dominate your industry. You can use SEMRush to do keyword research, backlink audit, track brand mentions, spy on competitors, discover best-performing posts and pages on social media, add strategy analysis, keyword rank tracking, and more. 8. WPMail SMTP. By default, WordPress uses the PHP mail function to send emails. As such, you and your users may not receive important email notifications from your WordPress site. WPMail SMTP solves this problem by sending WordPress emails using a proper SMTP mail server. 9. WooCommerce. Over the last few years, WooCommerce has established itself as the most dominant e-commerce plugin for WordPress. There's a robust WooCommerce ecosystem now with dedicated WooCommerce hosting, WooCommerce themes, and WooCommerce plugins available. 10. OptinMonster. OptinMonster is the most popular conversion rate optimization software in the market. It allows you to convert abandoning website visitors into email subscribers and customers. This WordPress plugin and application helps you get more email subscribers and sales, fast. Whether you need to optimize your site for search engines, or improve the user experience, WordPress plugins are vital. By installing these core, foundational plugins, you'll be well on your way to a better performing website for your business.